So hi friends, today as you can see our laptop's hinge, this is called a hinge, and normally what happens is when over a long period of time, if this screw, this part, uh, how should I show? Yeah, if this particular nut or screw, if it gets tightened, then what will happen, you will not be able to, it will not move. So what you need to do, you need to open up your laptop and use a plier and then slightly unscrew so that it becomes easy and it can be easily moved. It becomes easily movable. So once it becomes easily movable, the function is just show here. Then the laptop will be able to easily open and close. This is exactly same thing. See, this is exactly same thing, but this is the left side one. This is the one that we have removed.